Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2020 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is a iridium silver metallic. Under the hood's a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. Standard on the GLC are front and rear LED daytime running lights. We've got 19-inch 10-spoke alloy wheels. Tires are in excellent condition. Black MB text interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back here, we've got our GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power lift gate, clean set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming up front here, this one does come with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, and we've got a dark brown linden wood trim, power windows, illuminated door sill panels, heated steering wheel. Hopping in here, we've got a new touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition. This one also does come with the multimedia package, which comes with navigation and the new MBUX artificial intelligence. You can give it voice commands as easy as saying, "Hey Mercedes,
how may I help you?
Turn on heated seats."
I'm switching on the seat heating.
So as simple as that, you can give voice commands and it will do so. Also comes with 64 color ambient lighting. We've got our dual climate controls, hard keys, our wireless charging port and USB port, cup holders, touchpad command center, our volume buttons, dynamic selects. This vehicle has 2,318 miles on it, Carfax and service records available. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC, check out feldmanimports.com.